Hello all, welcome to this new video in the playlist of projections of solids. In this video, we are going to see the square pyramid having the base height 30 mm and axis height 50 mm. It is resting on its base on the ground, that means the horizontal plane. In two cases, we are going to draw the projections of this square pyramid. The first case is the with all base sides are equally inclined to vertical plane, and the second case is with one edge of the base is parallel or perpendicular to the vertical plane. So let us see the first one. Draw the reference line. Let's give the name. It is X and Y. The first case is with all base sides are equally inclined to VP. Let us take this polygon or rectangle, anything you can take. So here I am giving for square the number of sides 4 and the edge is given as 30 mm. So click here, give the base side, rotate. See, so here all the sides are inclined at 45 degrees with VP. Let us see, this and this 45 degrees, also this and this 45 degrees. So this is also making 45, this is also making 45. This is a position of base with all sides of base equally inclined to VP. Yeah, here mark the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Give the names of all corners. This is A, B, C and D. So this is O, the peak point of the pyramid. Draw the projectors from each corner up to XY line. Point B, D, O comes on same projector. This comes here. So here the axis height is given before moving further. So first give the points here first. And also the point names. This is your A dash. Now here it comes B dash and D dash. So B dash is visible, comma D dash is invisible, and this is your C dash. Now draw the axis with given height. The axis height is given 50 mm. Give the point name here. This is O dash. Now draw the slant edges, means which are joining the base corners to apex. The top also the same slant edges comes like A to O, C to O. Already B to O, D to O are there. Yeah. So the base is also comes. So now I am changing the properties of this all construction lines, means the projectors into thin line. This XY line I'm going to change the HB, and the remaining this front view and top view with all slant edges I'm changing into bold 2B. Next, you give the dimensions. The axis height 50 mm and the base edge is 30 mm. So this is a complete picture of the square pyramid projections in simple position, front view and top view, with all sides are equally inclined to VP. Now let us see the second case. This is reference line, X and Y. Now draw the square, four sides, edge is given, the base side is equal to 30 mm. Yes, fine. Mark the center. See, this is the center. So give the point names here. Point A, top view. This is point B, C, D, and O. Yeah, yeah. So now let us draw the front view. Draw the projectors from each and every corner. A and D comes on same projector. B and C comes on same projector. And this is the center. Yeah. These are the points. So give the point names here. Like this is your A dash, comma D dash. And here B dash. Draw the axis with given height, that is 50 mm. This is the peak point. So let us give the name O dash. Slant edges. Now see, A dash O dash is a slant edge. B dash O dash is another slant edge. Similarly, C dash O dash is behind the B dash O dash, and D dash O dash also behind A dash O dash. So those are not visible. Now let us change the properties of these lines. Construction lines with thin line and this XY line with HP, the final front view and top view with 2B, bold pencil. Give the dimensions and the base side 30 mm. Yeah, this is the answer for this question. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next videos.